So hello guys, welcome back to Quantity Estimation and Billing Engineers. In today's session, we are going to see a solution for the practical difficulty which we always face while calculating the quantities of concrete, shuttering or BBS. So what is that difficulty? Let me first explain you that. When we want to calculate the quantity of this beam, whether it is concrete, shuttering or BBS, what we have to do is we have to take the dimensions of this beam. So to take the dimensions of the beam, what we generally do is we take our dimension command, that is DLI, enter, and then what we do is we start taking the dimensions of each and every beam individually, and we make it readily available on our drawing somewhere below the beam so that we can refer the dimensions each and every time when we are calculating the quantities. So the first of all is the method. This method is very time consuming, as we can see that when we work out any quantities for a residential building, we have multiple beams, 500, 600 beams in a single tower. So we can't just keep tracing our dimensions downwards and keep it ready, since it's a lots of time consuming process. So to avoid that, what we can do is we can use property window, which is one of the most powerful and unutilized tool of AutoCAD. So how we can use is, first we have to activate our properties window. Let me close this first. How we can activate it is by pressing Ctrl+1. As we can see, our properties window is now active with various kind of options provided over here. So if I want to take the dimensions of this beam, for example, beam B1, what I can do is I will simply click on this line which is indicating our B1. As soon as I click on this line, what I can see is various properties related to these lines are visible over here. So we are interested in the geometric properties, since we want the dimension of this beam, that is the length of this beam. So I am interested in the geometric properties. So when I trace the geometric properties, what I can see is we have been provided with the length at the bottom, which gives 2900 mm. As we can see here, I have traced one of the dimensions downward, which is also 2900 mm. Now, if I want to take the dimensions of beam B2, that is the length of beam B2, I will click on this line. And what I can see is the dimension of that beam is provided in the length section. In this way, we can ease our work just by clicking and taking out the length of the beam. So thanks for watching this video, and be with us for more such upcoming and interesting videos. Thank you very much.